Good afternoon, guys. I am here today to show you the ABI Keswick over on Primrose Way. So, ABI Keswick, 3-bedroom. Look at this, stunning, absolutely stunning. Lovely sort of like beech wood, gorgeous green finish with the chrome black. We've got stunning natural light at the front, a huge wraparound sofa area with a double pull-out bed. We have a really nice dining area here as well. Into the kitchen, we've got integrated appliances across the board, oven with extractor. Like I said, I really do love the finish in here. It's absolutely stunning. And if we come through, we've got 3 bedrooms. So we've got the twin room here, which is lovely with good storage, and a second twin room. I really like the attention to detail, like hooks on the doors, all of those really practical things. Lovely like Farrow and Ball palette in here as well. Really gorgeous mattress depths. So that's the second twin room. Then out now into the master bedroom. So master bedroom, we've got beautiful, massive amounts of storage, a lovely dressing area, and then really stunning, again, details on the headboard that all just matches the curtains, all flows throughout. So it's a really gorgeous unit. And I tell you what else is really nice, just even the door frames are in that lovely Farrow and Ball kind of palette, which is just really lovely. The handles are really unusual. They're like a brushed sort of brass chrome finish, which is gorgeous. We've got a lovely ensuite here in the master bedroom. Let's go and find the family bathroom. It's the last thing for us to have a look at. Oh, little boiler cupboard, great for your Hoover, mop and whatnot. And here is a stunning family bathroom. So you have a nice little feature sort of basin there. Lovely, full size shower and heated towel rail. So guys, this is located on the beautiful Primrose, which is 99% finished, almost there now. Give us a call, 078 6767 4308. We can give you a good tour of the park, discuss any part exchange options with you, give you cost to change, anything like that. We're really gearing up for a fantastic Easter week. We are a bit slimline on pitches, but do get in touch, come and have a look around. We can show you what we've got. Amazing special offers. We've got £3,500 off 2026 pitch fees at the moment for any Willoughbys bought in April. We also are running our GLA scheme, which is guaranteed let agreement. Now, we are going to be hosting various events explaining this agreement to our current owners and any new owners that want to come on board as well. So this is whereby you tell us, if you're somebody that rents out your caravan, how many weeks do you want to let it for, and we will credit your owner's account with that amount there and then on the day. So there's no waiting to see if the caravan hires out. You're credited straight away. Now, you can use that money however you wish. You can use it against your pitch fees, you can use it against the cost of a new caravan. But, you know, just for example, some people are managing to garner up £8,000 to £10,000 using the GLA scheme, using that with their current caravan as well, and building up a really nice deposit for their part exchange options. So if that's something that seems like you might be interested, come and see me. We have got tons and tons of special offers. There's lots of things we can do. We part exchange tourers, part exchange static caravans. I mean, we're practically part exchanging anything. So guys, 078 6767 4308. Give me a call and I will be happy to show you around the park and all of our lovely stock. Thank you, guys.